Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to travel with pets on Condor. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Condor account, which of course I've done right here. Now for you to create an account on Condor, just launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type condor.com. Now click on that and it's going to take you to the official website for Condor. In the website, check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the My Condor tab. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Condor. So how do you travel with pets on Condor? From your home page, head over to the top corner of your screen where you have these tabs, which include book and plan, flight preparation, fly and enjoy, get inspired, my booking, and careers. I'd like you to click on flight preparation. So over here you have these 4 categories: check-in, baggage and animals at the airport, travel advice. So go ahead to the baggage and animals options and click on travel with pets. Once you click on travel with pets, you're going to see all the information that you need to travel with pets. Book your dogs or cats station on Condor flight easily and conveniently online. And you can also note the conditions and regulations for transporting the pet. So go scroll the way down and you're going to see this option. So okay. So pets in cabin and pets in cargo hold. So read all of this information for you to know how you will be able to travel with pets. Let's say pets in cabin. So transportation charges for traveling with your pets on Condor flights are based on the booked flight. So read all of this on-screen prompts for you to understand the process of transporting in the cabin. And then note these options. So unfortunately, you cannot carry your pets with you if you have booked one of the following seats. So these are the seats. So go ahead and click on book now. And once you click on book now, you'll be able to manage your booking. It takes you here. So where did you book your flight? Click on that. Booking number, date of your outbound flight, and passenger surname, and click on continue. Once you click on continue, it's just going to take you to the next window where you will now be able to add your pets and book a space for your pets and just go ahead and just pay from there. So this is pretty much how you can travel with pets on Condor. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you begin to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.